Hey everyone! I'll be showing you how to install Swift on Ubuntu 22.04. You know, I love Swift so much that I want to see it everywhere. On my phone, my computer, and now, even on the server. It's like that clingy friend who always wants to hang out, but in a good way. Swift is an amazing language that you can use to learn programming, create backends for your apps, and even write powerful scripts for Linux. So buckle up, and let's get started on this Swift-tastic journey. First, let's download the latest version of Swift for Linux. Head over to the website linked in the description and choose the x86 64-bit version for Ubuntu 22.04. Don't forget to also download the signature file, because we need to make sure we got the real deal, not some knockoff. Now we'll download the swift.org public keys and import them into GPG. It's like adding a new friend on Facebook, but for security nerds. Run this command in your terminal. It's time to give our new friend a high five. Update the Swift keys in GPG by running this command. Let's make sure our download isn't as sketchy as that guy selling genuine Rolex watches on the street corner. Verify the integrity of the package using the signature file. As long as it says good signature, we're golden. If it says it's not certified with a trusted signature, don't panic. It's like a surprise guest at a party. Not exactly expected, but still valid. Time to unleash the contents of the downloaded archive. Run this command like a boss. We're going to move the extracted files to the /op directory, like a VIP getting escorted to the best seat in the house. Let's add the Swift binaries to your system path like it's the newest dance move going viral on TikTok. Modify the .bashrc file by opening it with your favorite text editor. Add this smooth line at the end of the file. Now save, close, and strut your stuff. Reload bashrc to apply the changes, like refreshing your wardrobe for the new season. It's the moment of truth. Test the installation by running the Swift command and printing a message. Type Swift repel in the terminal and press Enter to enter the magical land of Swift. Now, type this gem. If you see Swift works, you've nailed it. Swift is now installed on your Ubuntu 22.04 system, and you're ready to take on the world of coding like a superstar.